Nishka, and as I promised you, a vlog is seriously gonna come for you. And here I got a vlog for you, my night kind of routine. And right now we were going out to see stars from my telescope. Let's go and see. Sorry guys. So guys, I'm just taking my telescope right now. We sadly could not find any star. Just to see guys, this is not my I don't want to spoil my telescope at all because it's too expensive. I got it as a birthday present. Now we are basically having a puja and we just have to decorate a little bit. Yes guys, so we are having that puja kind of again, and if you haven't seen my puja video like this, make sure you see. That I am trying to take out the flowers which are in a polythene bag. It's just basically flower mala which we're going to add it like this. Maybe not good at these things, but petals. I'm just going to sprinkle some petals like this. Some fruits. Sorry guys, let's just take these two turtles in front of them. It will just look pretty, I guess. We're not doing it over here because my birthday decoration stuff is already here, so we are not basically trying to do so. So guys, right now not all things are done, but I'm trying to keep my video short. But guys, honestly, the sofa arrangement is never like this. Due to my birthday, we needed some extra space, so we did it. And this is my helium balloon, which is always always in my room. I just have to drag it like this. But remember, fan should not be on during helium balloons. That's why I'm just turning off my fan. I don't know why this happened, but I seriously keep it here. This is its main place. I got it tomorrow only, a helium balloon. I love helium balloons. They're super cool. Especially I got a few unicorns and one more unicorn which never stands straight at all. So I'm trying my best to keep this video a little short because it's still like some kind of vlog and I'm only making it. So this was the deco. These are most of my gifts, and this is the best one, green screen. Yay. Yes guys, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna explore my thing. So basically my mom got this from Hamleys. You have to download a app and scan it like this, okay, and scan it, and it will show the 3D effect of animals, and when we click it, it will give us more information. So basically this is a very good thing which I was asking this year only. And these are some balloons. I just like keeping balloons in my room also because this whole is my room only. And these are more gifts which I got: Play-Doh, slime, housey, nail polish, and unscramble, and more you saw guys right out. So what I'm gonna do is basically keep my room to get a little cold because I think cold room is way better than hot room. And yeah, so let me think, what shall I do next? Yes guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna read my repeated book, which is the old school, I guess so. No, I mean the Wrecking Ball actually. I love Wimpy books and I have most of them, but I got Wrecking Ball new because I was left with it and I didn't have it. And these are some slimes which I got ready-made from Hamleys. And most of my the telescope was also from Hamleys, and most of my birthday presents were from Hamleys. So I like this telescope. It's my favorite, and we can also see the moon from it. It is super cool. So guys, let's meet you when after some time. Right now what I'm doing is taking my name balloons and sticking them. We just removed them because we needed to make somehow some space in the drawing room, but not really. I just removed it because I wanted it something cool for my room also. Plus my birthday has been over today only, but yesterday I mean it got over. And let's go and collect more. So guys, basically my actual time for sleeping is I sleep basically at 10. Like by 10:15 I sleep. But yeah, before that I've never slept. Yeah, just one time when it was 6 o'clock I slept. So I've got to know that my whole name can't fit, so I have to add 2 letters like this. No problem. This they will still look nice because I just want something decorative for my room. Okay, here it is. These are my name balloons, so it's very cool. Like in my bedside. And guys, we also have a puppy which is Pamelian. No, I don't know what is it. It's Shih Tzu. Yeah, it's Shih Tzu. And right now, it's not here in this area. It's there. He's there. Right now, mom is just combing hair something. I don't like taking care of it. It's very ew because its hairs keep on growing, which is super annoying. But its name is Brownie. And I'm very scared of it too. Like it bites on slippers. So let's meet you when after some time. Right now we're just watching my mom's kind of favorite show. Like not mine, but we are just up the volume because right now I was just shooting my video, but still she's watching it. But I can't show you her face. And my dog is roaming around the house, not in my room. So yeah, I was getting super extra bored instead of playing with these clays. I'm too big for playing with clays, but actually they're fun. I don't know if they are really gonna be. Yep, the fun got over because they are too hard. And guys, most of my presents were got from Hamleys, and most of my birthday presents are given by Hamleys only. In my previous birthday, we went to the Mirror Maze there. You should also try if not on yet. And it's super boring. I am changing my plans. So guys, let's meet you after some more time. Having my dinner. Here I'm having some gobi parathas as usual. So let's meet you when I'm done with this. And sorry guys, now I have to end my routine, and then simply I go to brush and then take a sleep by 10. And not right now, but my mom is going to watch something at 9 to 9:30. So yeah. So make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's see you next time. Bye.